Alrighty, welcome back. So in this video we're going to talk about grids and guides. And with this, you can see with the grid, this is our color. Grid every 80 pixels. Subdivision 4. Style, lines, you can do dashed lines or dots. So whatever you want for the grid, you can do that. Proposition grid. Horizontal is 8, vertical is 6. Guides, a light blue. Styles is lines, you can do dashed lines as well. Okay. So you can see the guide right, well, I was going to say you can see the guide, but it's actually not. But the guide looks a lot like this, okay? And I showed you that in the main menu section. So safe margins, action safe 10%, title safe 20%, center cut action safe 32.5, center cut title safe is 40%. Center cut safe zones appear in 16 by 9 viewers to show cropping that will occur on non-widescreen displays. So what are safe margins? Well, we talked a little bit about that. And basically what that is it's a imaginary frame here, which I'm drawing, that is for titles, graphics, really anything, video. There's certain areas where you don't want to be shooting your video. So for example, a headshot. If your subject is up here and you want a headshot, you should not be pointing the camera, like cutting his head off here. You want to have the camera tilted up and his head should be here so that he fills in there and he's in the safe zone. Okay, so if you've ever used a camera and looked through a viewfinder, you'll notice that on the viewfinder, there's a square that you see right here, right? And they have that on every camera. And the reason for that is this. This is the safe margin. Okay, so let me hit OK and I'll show you real quick. So if I go to the, let me just see, because this needs a little more explanation. Let me go to, okay, so let's go to view options. Okay. Okay, that was not it. Okay, title action safe. Oh, there you go. All right, so now you get the idea. I need to show you a visual aid, okay? Because it's just too hard to explain without really a visual aid. But basically, you can see here, my graphic, my text, is right in the middle, okay? It fits perfectly. So title and action safe. It's safe right in the middle. So you don't want to go outside of this box because then it will start cutting off. So when you do a lower third, you would put it here and then you'd have the text inside of here, okay? So it's just so that it displays, okay? In print, they call that a bleed. So in print, they have the same type of markers, but it's for print instead of for video, for example. So let's go back to grids and guides, okay? And now you have a visual aid of that. So that is the grids and guides preferences. So with that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.